Hi, this is Dr. Lani Simpson, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook an artichoke right. A lot of times people have had artichokes in restaurants, and they're tough. I've never actually gotten one in a restaurant that I liked. And fortunately, I was brought up with a mother who cooked artichokes all the time. We had them at least once a week. We live in California, so we had them readily available. And she used a pressure cooker, so I learned how to use a pressure cooker, and I've used one all my life. And it cooks this big artichoke. Look at how thick that heart is. It takes 20 minutes to cook this. And it would take 45 minutes if you steam it. Steaming's fine, of course, but actually pressure cooking retains the most nutrients when you cook with it. You have to learn how to use it because it cooks things fast and you can overcook a lot of things. But once you learn how to use it, it's really, really cool. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it. Basically, I take a bread knife and I cut the bottom off of this. And then I cut off some of the stem. Now, you'll see in restaurants, a lot of times they're showing how to prepare them. They always cut the leaves because they have these little prickly things on it. I never bother with that because once it's cooked, it doesn't matter anyway. And I like my artichokes sitting nice and straight on the plate. So, and then also you can take these top leaves off so nothing, or, which is what I do, I wait until it's cooked and then I take those leaves off because it's easier. So these artichokes are just loaded with nutrients. They have protein, a good amount of protein, and they're number 7 on the scale in terms of antioxidants of all vegetables. They're just a super powerhouse of nutrients. And they have a lot of, well, they're loaded with probably, I mean, the soluble fiber is huge. So what's that? Prebiotics. And prebiotics are what we need. That soluble fiber is what we need for our good bacteria. They eat that stuff. So when we have prebiotics, and we're starting to hear more about prebiotics now, not just probiotics, that's what we need to keep our gut healthy. So there's so many things and so many different types of antioxidants in artichokes. It makes it a superfood for bone, for your heart, for our whole health. So artichokes. Then once I cut them, I cut 1 whole lemon. And now I use, this is a Mealthy pot, M-E-A-L-T-H-Y. They also have Instapots. I love this thing. They're basically the same. And there's a little rack. You can put the rack in, and pressure cookers, they have that too. You put the rack in, okay? And then you put about that much water. I guess that's about 1 inch. All right, I don't measure things so much. And then you put lemon in, the whole lemon. I have already some lemon in there. And then you cut up 2 cloves of garlic. Put that in the water. And then also, even more than this, a few of these, if you have them in your yard, or you can use dry, but this is rosemary. And you put that in. And then you put in some vinegar. So about 1/4 cup of vinegar to 1/3 of a cup, depends, like a little tang, a little bit more, okay? So that's it. And then you just put them in and you set it to cook. And what's great, again, it only takes 20 minutes to cook, and you're done. Or, I haven't done them steamed in so long, I don't remember, but it's probably 40 minutes, 45 minutes. But basically you take a toothpick and push it right into that heart area there so that it should go in super easy. I can't get it in there now because of all the fiber. Okay, so that's it. And they are delicious. Oh, and what do you use as a dip? Some of these are so good this time of year you don't need anything. They're meaty, super, super tasty. And but a lot of times I'll use like an avocado mayonnaise or any kind of mayo that you can add a little bit of tamari, just a dab, a little bit, you don't want it too salty, and a little bit of lemon. Or something else, whatever you like. Olive oil works really well too, with a little bit of garlic, and a little tamari, I guess, in that too, to just add the taste, or just a little bit of sea salt. So there you have it. And these they look so complicated. People think they're thistles. Well, they are, but anyway, These are super, super good, super delicious. Get them there this time of year in the fall and through the winter. This is the time to get them. And by the way, you want to get them so that the leaves look like they have moisture in it, not all shriveled up. This one's really good. All right, enjoy.